Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Erica Cirillo McCarthy, and I'm the director of the Margaret H. Ortobody University Writing Center right here at MTSU. Today I'm going to talk briefly about the University Writing Center, how we support MTSU writers, and how you can make an appointment to work with one of our fabulous Writing Center tutors. Listen, we know that all MTSU students are going to encounter multiple types of writing projects in quite a few of your classes. We want you to know that we are here to help. So we work with writers during all stages of the writing process, in all disciplines, at all levels, to help you with your project from start to finish. We believe in providing you with tools to gain confidence in your writing, and as such, we will offer concrete strategies to help you meet assignment guidelines. We focus on collaborating with writers to provide a peer audience throughout the writing process. Now you might wonder, what can I bring into the Writing Center? Well, if it's any type of writing, we can help, and that includes any type of class writing projects, such as essays, research papers, or academic projects in any discipline. In addition, any oral presentations, and that includes outlines and delivery of speeches. We collaborate closely with the Career Center to support students writing professional and business documents, such as resumes, cover letters, and statements of purpose. We also support students who are drafting creative writing projects, whether that's for a class or a personal creative writing project. We love to support students who are working on longer projects, such as honors theses, master's theses, or PhD dissertations. And if you're creating an e-portfolio for an MT Engage class, or you're planning on applying for that MT Engage scholarship money, Writing Center tutors can help you with creating content for your e-portfolio, including the reflective writing that's necessary for them, and identifying artifacts and organizing them in your e-portfolio. Finally, we support students working on multimedia projects, such as PowerPoints, Prezis, or poster presentations, such as the ones that you would create for Scholars Week or for your biology class. We are thrilled for the next semester to offer both face-to-face and online opportunities to work with Writing Center tutors. So if you choose an in-person Writing Center session, you'll visit Library 362, that's the third floor of the library directly above Starbucks, to meet with a writing tutor to work on your writing. We still offer popular remote options such as live chat, where if you have a mic and a camera on your computer, you can meet with a tutor in real time as you work on a shared document. Second, we offer Document Drop, an asynchronous session where you post your paper and receive feedback from a tutor electronically. So some tips for a successful writing center session include coming early and coming often. And what we mean by that is come early in the Writing Center process. So as soon as you get your assignment sheet, don't wait until the day that the paper is due. Try to come often. So as soon as you get the paper and throughout the writing process, students can make up to 1 appointment per day with a Writing Center tutor. Be detailed when making your appointment. The more we know about your project, the better prepared we are to help. And make sure you have access to your assignment sheet and any writing that you've done thus far. Finally, we ask students to have an open mind. Tutors will try a variety of strategies to help you reach your writing goals and take into consideration all of the answers to the questions on the appointment form. So feel free to share with us how you best learn. We know that you're an MTSU student. That means that you're super busy, and we want to make these sessions useful for you. We also support writers through writing partnerships. And these are semester-long, regularly scheduled weekly appointments with the same writing consultant for students who want to grow specific writing skills or tackle large-scale or long-term projects. And we're thrilled to offer writing resources online for free for MTSU students. These are handouts and more that are available to you to support you throughout all stages of the writing process in all disciplines, and they're available on our website, mtsu.edu/writing-center. And then we are growing our library of short digital workshops that are on a variety of writing topics, and those can be found on our YouTube page. So I hope I've given you an idea of how the Writing Center can easily fit into your strategies for success here at MTSU. To schedule an appointment, You can stop by Library 362 during open hours. You can visit our website. You can go directly to our online scheduler, and that's mtsu.mywconline.com. But also feel free to call the Writing Center, 615-904-8237. And hey, let's get social. Please follow us online for giveaways, events, and our latest open hours on either Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook. We hope to see you all soon and have a great, successful semester. Thank you all so much.